So okay, we are here, and as we were expecting, in weekly time frame, price have sweep this equal lows, and now candle is looking quite bullish. I'm expecting closing near about this area around 4401. Then we will expect some push, maybe near here or above. If price is closing above this 4401 area, then we will be expecting price to take out this high or at least test this top trend line, this one here, nearer about here. Slow push towards upside again and test here. So that's why we were bullish from here, and we have took so many good entries from here in long side. Now I'm watching for a retracement, and then I will enter in long again. So right now, if we look at 1 day time frame, today's candle is likely to close above here around 4535. Then it will create a first candle close above the previous bearish candle in this full rally. As you can see, after breaking this low, we don't have any bullish candle to close above the previous bearish candle. See this? So we were expecting price to create, wait a minute, I guess people are still waiting or what? Okay. So here, today's candle should close above this high around 4535. Then we will be expecting price to slowly rise back towards at least this order block around 5000. Maybe after that we will have some retracement, test of this area again and pump. Before that, price is likely to consolidate here today, and in 4 hour time frame we have this last breakout structure here, and this is our change of character area. Price is trying to hold this daily time frame zone. Maybe possible we will see a wick to this area, because this is the recent market structure shift in 4 hour time frame. And if we plot one-on-one reaction here, this fib retracement, sorry, this is fib extension, then our target is 4743. So possibly we will see a test of this area again. And if we see here, right now the highest bullish candle closing is this one, this candle. So its high and its low is our range. Price is likely to range here between this high and this low, and we have a FVG just below it. So if we get a sweep of this low, test of this FVG, it would be very much nice entry for this move. Currently 1 hour structure, what is happening? So current 1 hour structure, price is trying to hold this daily time frame high, and the last breakout structure is still this one. So this is the area for 4 hour time frame and our 1 hour time frame mitigation block. Both are at the same level. So what we can expect, we can expect price to drop to this level at least at 4512. After that, if there is a push, we will see a break above this high. Right now price is trying to reject from here, and I am continuously watching for short entry, but if price close above this high, then short will be very much risky. As you can see, candles are continuously breaking its low. Okay, and this is the last candle which have break below and close below this candle low, so its high should not be break. If this breaks, then we will see some push towards upside again, maybe till high of this candle around 4574. If this close below and reject again, we will see the drop towards this high, this mitigation block, and our main long area is still near this 4 hour FVG here pending. Price is trying to reject here. I have tried one shot here, but this week took me out. Again I tried one more here, and this week took me out. Now I'm waiting for the close here again. So I am waiting here. In 5 minute time frame, this is your breakout structure. This is your again the breakout structure, and this is your bearish breakout structure, which high is not broke yet, so it is still bearish, and we should be watching for short entry in 1 minute time frame. This is our change of character, 2 candle closing below, 1 candle close below, it will be our new breakout structure, and this zone will be our short interest. Here I will try one more shot from here. If I get a closing below, there is a high possibility that it can again pump sweep this high. So if you want a good entry, wait for 1 hour closing. After 1 hour closing, price is likely to reject here. Your stop loss should be above this zone, this supply, and your target should be 4512. First target will be 4535, second will be 4512, and third will be this FVG. What is happening? Okay, many people are still waiting. Okay, let me just see. Participants, admit all. Wait a minute, guys. Sorry for this. I did not check waiting room and started this meeting. Many members are still in waiting zone. Okay, so let's start by again. So we are expecting price to drop to this level. Let me just remove this all. We don't need this much drawing. And we will be shorting gold after this 1 hour closing below this level. Yeah, this is our current 1 hour range. So possibly we will see a drop before that. If we get a drop before that, then this area short will be invalid for us, and then we will watch for buy from bottom zones. And I'm still watching for an entry here. Right now 1 minute is bearish. We have this resistance, and I have recently told you guys, once it break on the retest, you can short. Retest is already done and price is dropping. So if we look for this one, we have this change of character, we have this breakout structure, then we have this retracement, we have this new breakout structure. So price should not break above this high again, which is our 1 hour range high, this one. So possibly we will see a pump again till this area, this order block, and here it can reject. The stop loss should be above this high. This is risky, but this is the possible move we can get. Short near 55, target will be this 5512, stop loss will be above 5560. Let's wait. If we get this area, we will try one shot. The price is already dropping here because the retest was already done. If we get this area, we will try short. It is dropping. This is the problem with smaller time frame. Either we miss entry or it will just hunt stop loss. Let's wait. I will watch for long after these two areas. First is 4512 and second is this one around 4553. And this will be again my new swing entry. These are just scalps. This will be swing. Yesterday I took a swing from here. Now this will be my new swing. Let's see. It is already breaking after hunting my stop loss. Nice. Possibly range, it will not close below, again pump, again test here, again drop, continue range, and finally a drop. This is the highest possibility I can assume here. We just need one candle closing below or one candle closing above, then short will be invalidate. If one candle close below, then that candle high will be our stop loss for the next short. And when will be the reversal? Price will create something like this. It will drop. Same thing here, and create a one candle closing above the previous bearish candle high, just like this for our big candle. See this, every candle was dropping, not closing above previous candle high, and here was the last candle drop and this candle close above, then price just retest it and pump. This is how easy you can find reversal. Now this is our mother candle. We have its low, because this is the highest candle which have closed above. So this is our full range. We have its low, we have its high, which is being break by this candle. So this is our new mother candle. So if I remove this all, then its high and its low is our range. Price is likely to range between these two zone here. It's high and it's low. So high is already been hunted. If you see this closely, high was already sweep. So now price is trying to sweep the liquidity at this one, and we have FVG near it, so we are expecting price to test this FVG, sweep this low, and 4-hour candle will not close below here. If we have a 4-hour wick below this area of 4455 and candle close back above like this can be a red or green candle, and just a wick below here. Then you can buy here stop loss will be below this wick or below FVG, and then your target will be first this high, second will be this high. So this is how easy market is right now. We just need this one, this candle. If we have this confirmation, I will tell you to enter in swing long confirmation, and then this will be our target. If you have any question, you can ask me. I am reading your comments. Hi, can I ask how to enter at the zone? I have just explained that we need what we can say, a candle like this, a big wick sweeping this low and closing back inside this range. This full candle is our mother range right now. Price is likely to range here. It will sweep its high, it will sweep its low. High is already been swept, so now it will sweep its low and continue its trend towards new breakout structure above this high. And our target will be, if I can plot it from fib extension, it will be near about 4743, and if it extended, then it will be around 4868. I'm expecting near this one only, this high. How many candle closing required for the confirmation in time frame? Only one candle is required. If you want a change of character, then only you need two candles. See, look at this, it did not close below. 1 hour is also in this range. So right now there is no trade opportunity. It is stuck in this range. If it tests here, you can short. If it tests here and does not close below, you can long. But it is risky zone, not a proper trade. What I expect here is this one, this range, drop, sweep that low and pump. This is my highest expectation, and if I get a one candle closing above this high in 1 hour time frame, then I will expect this one. First new breakout structure, then sweep this low and pump. Then price will not go for this zone, it will pump from this high. Then price will not test this FVG. If we have a new breakout structure before testing here, then price will not test this zone, it will just test this last high and pump again. Hi, can you show which wave we are at per lot wave? If this is wave B, where could be wave C? I don't work in elliott wave, brother. I work in structural waves. Elliott wave is pretty much, what we can say, confusing. You will not able to take a good trade according to it. Why it is coming back to the entry? Because it have not given us an entry. If you see this, what I have told you, you can short it from here with a stop loss above it. It is just coming to give you entry, but it is risky right now. If you want to play risky here, this is your short zone from where it can again drop. Stop loss will be above this high. It is near 50 pips. If price hold 4735 high, can it drop back to 4100 Monday low and 3895? See brother, I'm not expecting much more downside here. I'm expecting price to create new high from here, and that's why I'm staking longs. And my biggest swing will be in 4-hour time frame at this level. I'm expecting price to just give change of character, test this area and pump, and this zone will give you new ADH, possibly new ADH, and the final target will be 1.618 area, nearer about 7,000. You will see this move in future. From where we can expect a long entry? We can expect a long entry from first this mitigation block around 4512, and second is from this 4-hour FVG around 4455 to 4433. So if you guys are using 1 minute, just look at this, what it is doing. Okay, I should have take this week too. Let's see. Do you think gold will drop to H1 TL break and retest up to the M15 order block 514156 and buy from the 450? Don't look at this much, brother. Just look at what we have in current structure. Why you guys are looking for this much deeper entries? This is here. Can't you see this much pump from here? Are you guys blind? This is clear pump from here. This is clear rejection from here. This is previously a nice resistance. Now it is converting into support. Then why you guys are ignoring this one? Red zone, what else? That do you think it will go there? It will go there for sure after breaking this high. This will be my swing entry. It is having inducement near it. The zone is untested. Just I need is 4-hour change of character. Then this will be my entry, swing entry. And target will be, first is recently created high, second will be this ATH, and third will be the running long till 7,000. So let's see what we have in 1 minute. Okay, our zone is being tested now. It should reject here and test this low. If it break above, then it will again sweep this high, test our this zone, again continue consolidating here. Okay, there is no confirmation, no rejection. Let's see. Can you suggest to recommend any book of the market structure, beginners to advanced, to study technical analysis? There is no book, brother. Market structure is widely available in YouTube. You can learn it. Higher highs and higher lows, nothing is so much complicated in it. Is this war end, then price will go up without testing red zone? No, possibly it should not go without test. I'm still holding my oil short and my target is this one. Yesterday I posted this because I was expecting a rejection from here and this trend line break. The previously it have done the same thing. See this? Break below this trend line and single candle drop. Break below this trend line and single candle drop. I was expecting that price will go directly to my target and single candle, but it is consolidating here, means there will be another small rise again and one more drop. Better to wait for 1 hour closing. Look at this. 1 hour is not closing above. We will just wait here. I'm expecting price to test this zone again drop, just a consolidation until we have a closing above or closing below. This is just a range and 1 minute is still what I can say. This is bearish. This is high is our final hope. If it get break, it will pump. Can you brief SP 500 chart? Can you suggest 10k account? What should be the maximum lot use? For the maximum lot use, you should be using your 1% risk. If you have 10k account, that means you're on the hit of stop loss, you should be losing $100. If you have 100k account, then on the stop loss you should be losing $1,000. See, price is not closing above, it is again dropping, but this zone is acting as support now. Let's see. It should have rejected from this zone directly, but it goes upside, test here. Now it is showing some bearishness, but now high probability it will sweep these highs, again consolidate and drop. We have liquidity here. Are you in gold now or waiting? I'm just waiting here. There is no confirmation. I have already booked some stop loss here and this one too, because this range have hunted my stop loss. And the major short will form after this one. See this? This is our range, this high and this low. Price is not closing above or not closing below. We need break below for the short momentum, and first target will be this one. Let me see if I get some good entry. Wait for this high to get sweep. They have so much liquidity here, equal highs. It need to be sweep. In 5-minute time frame, do we have any structure? We have this range. Price is rejecting from here. Break below means 1 minute break or 1J. What is 1J? Break below means we need one candle closing below. If I say I need a break below, that means I need a one candle closing below. Can you play on USD JPY? Let's see USD JPY. Price is above this one. Double change of character area. Maybe it will be in weekly. Weekly is still bullish. No change of character. New breakout structure is here. So this zone is your mitigation block. Price should break this high. If this area hold, price should break this high. This is full big demand. 4 hour. Bearish. But it have tested a weekly time frame zone, so this change of character will be not that much valid. If you have a break below again, then you can watch for some retracement, but it will be just for a buying purpose near below this low here. It will be a weak area. If you want to buy, wait for this high to get break. On the retest you can buy. This high will be your target. Can you check euro? Okay, let's see euro. Yesterday we were bearish on our DXY, so basically it will be bullish for euro. 1 hour time frame. Trend line is break, retesting. It should move up. This will be your target. This high. Then possible a retracement. Yes, oil is bearish. AUD is trying to hold this area. BTC also bullish until we have a break below. This is your breakout structure. Maybe a test again. Test of this supply. And there will be another rejection. After this one. Four 4408, 4418 on gold. What we have at 4408? Let's see. So you want to go buy from here, this order block. It is good. If you get this, you can buy. But first of all, I don't expect price to break below this FVG. It will just give you a wick. Possible. And majorly, I don't expect price to break below. See this, what is happening here. 5-minute time frame, high zone did not get break. We need candle closing below. So much bullish pressure. This is supply. Consolidation in terms of 1 hour time frame, this is consolidation. Stay away from here. If it drops, I will better buy on retracement rather than shorting it here. I already have given it a 2 SLs, so I will just stay away from here because this is range. I will wait for retracement and this will be my buying interest. Possibly it can give you more than 2800 pips. So better to wait for this one rather than you are watching for this 1000 pip move. I am waiting for this 2000 pip move. So whenever you have opportunity in trend side direction, it will be much better. I have entered in long from here and this is my target. People were shorting it here for this one, but this is, you can see this, how slow this market is. The simple thing you can do over here is just join the trend from next POI. This is my entry and this is what I am up to right now. See? So better to wait for this one. (4408 to 4418) is OB plus volume profile for the recent triangle structure. Yes, I know that, but we can't ignore this FVG. First we need FVG test, then the 4-hour candle closing back above in FVG range here. In my opinion, what I can say you is, wait a minute, what we have here. Okay, the story is changed. Price have sweep that low, test this FVG. Possibly if this low doesn't get break, what we will see a high test of this one of this area, then drop and pump. Price did not close below here. So in 1 hour time frame, our long confirmation here will be, as I said, we need a 1 hour candle closing above this high, then we will long. This is our range. If price close above, we will go for long. This will be our target. If price close below, we will wait for bottom areas. But the high possibility right now is this move. It will create inducement near this high, then sweep it, test this high and pump again, just like this one, creating an inducement. I was just waiting for this area, just like this. See this, new breakout structure, creating a inducement just near the previous high, then this high will be get tested, sweeping that previous low, inducement is taken and new high. So possibly we will see the similar structure here, just creating an inducement here, creating new high, again sweep that inducement, testing the previous high and pump. We will enter in long here once we have a one candle closing in 1 hour time frame above the high of 4557, above this range. Just like this, then you can enter in retest. This will be your first target. Second target will be 1.618 area of retracement. It will be around 4600 and okay, so this resistance will be your second target. Then price will retrace. What is the most painful condition here? Most painful condition will be price create new ATH, again drop, again pump, again drop, again pump, again drop, again pump, give you a new change of character, sweep this full liquidity, test this high and this QML area in 4 hour time frame and pump. Most painful condition. In this condition we will not get this entry. If you sure gold will come to 4200 in zone, why are you holding 4310 entry? Because my 4310 entry have the target of this high. This zone will be hit after change of character, not before that. Price should not break below this low now. And if price hold this low, create new change of character, test this QML area, again pump, and there we have a new breakout structure in 4 hour time frame, then forget about this one. You will not see this area to be tested in near 2 or 3 months. But this is just assumption. We will follow whatever gold offers. We will just wait for it. Let it just consolidate here and determine in which direction you want to go up, either up or down. And this area looks very good to me. It is having the biggest psychological level 4500, so high probability will be the pump from here again. For that it need slow pump again and close a 2-4 hour candle above this high, just like that, and then we will be bullish till new ATH. Any other questions? Don't use anything on my chart. लॉन्ग कर दे गोल्ड. अरे भाई रुको जरा, कैंडल तो क्लोज होने दो. Just now I have explained when you will long here after closing a one candle of 1 hour closing above this high. Thank you so much, sir, for always being here for us. We appreciate and pray you grow even bigger than you are now. Thank you very much, brother. By mistake, sorry. Just remember, brother, don't do this. Bro, can you analyze MNQ? Let's see what is MNQ. So you need this micro NASDAQ. Okay. It is bearish, brother. Mr. Vivek, please don't write anything on my chart. So we have a weekly time frame low. Once this low get break by another candle, there will be a huge short possible to this high. Near 22,300. It will be in monthly time frame retest. From here you will see another rise till this one. Daily time frame bearish. This is your resistance, it is already been tested. Second one is this one. Price have closed above, so possible if you get price near 2500 you can short. Thank you so much, grateful for your analysis. Keep it the great work. Thank you, brother. Sorry, I just joined. Have we discussed gold here already? Yes, we have discussed gold. We will be watching for a long opportunity after 1 hour closing above this resistance around 4557. If we don't get closing above, then we will wait for our bottom areas to get tapped, and then we will try to long it in again the smaller time frame. I'm in long in BTC from 67,700 till where can I scale it? You can book partial here. Once we break above this resistance, it will pump massively and your target can be this high, recently created high around 76,000, just like this one. If it drop here, possibly it will give you new entry near this area. Just like this. In short, it is creating inverse head and shoulder. Can you please share silver in Telegram? Missed here. I am watching for this area in silver. Already have shared this chart on morning that I am watching for this area test. Then silver will again pump and create a change of character here. Then there will be a drop again, test of this zone and pump again. Hello Trader Muru, how can I reach you via message and chat? I want to discuss how to help manage my trading account. Brother, I have stopped taking accounts because I have too many and I can't handle that much entries. I have to take entries in 5 accounts differently at the same point. And some of my entries are so much quick, I am not even able to take that entry in any account. So I have stopped it. I will take once I have more slot for account management. Okay. So before NY, I guess we will be stuck in this range between this high and this low. If we get close above, we have open sky till this high and possible this resistance, this one. And from here we can expect another drop and this will be a possible swing long entry if we get a break above this high before test. And if price break below, then we will be watching for first this area and second is our 4-hour FVG. So this big zone is still there. Here. An ideal condition is still this one. Any other question? According to 4-hour range and pump, and according to 1-hour just range. So better wait. Before confirmation, taking any entry here, it will be like giving a free money to market. The XY is bearish. We will see it near 98 soon. Can you analyze GBP, AUD, Euro, AUD? Let's see GBP, AUD. Daily time frame, monthly, monthly is breakout structure. This is internal change. Daily time frame is back bullish now. This one. So if you get prices near this FVG, long it. As if price drop below this, this will be your next long zone. Target will be at least this one, this resistance, nearer 1.99712. Let's see Euro. Euro is also bullish. Breakout structure, area test, sweeping equal low. Once you have a change of character, this zone will be your long area. Possible this target can be same this resistance, and second this one. So this zone will be your target after this area test. Can you analyze Nasdaq and give a small time frame area to watch for entries? I don't use Nasdaq in smaller time frame, brother. It is very much difficult. See, this was according to smaller time frame. My expectation, price break below. Daily is bearish. Watch for short from this multi-candle order block. Target can be this low. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Sorry, it's lower and lower lows. Bro, is there any chance gold will come down to 4K for the new entry? Less chance. I guess 20% chance. And it have almost 90% chance that we will see a new ATH. See, it is just teasing people, nothing doing here. Just wait, guys, wait for confirmation. And you guys know what is our confirmation now. Basically, I avoid trading range, it just hunts stop loss. My strategy worked best on trending market. I took this short, I just long it from here, I have long it from here. But in this kind of market, I get stop loss. I have also shorted from here. It is so much tempting right now. Still price is not able to cross above our 5-minute supply. 4 hour is still bearish here. See, once this channel get converted into green, you will see the real uptrend from there. See? See? Very slow market, guys, not tradable. We will follow it in 1 hour time frame. Smaller time frame is very much risky. This one. Okay, so we will end this session over here. Wait for this area and our confirmation for long. If we don't have any confirmation for long, we will expect market to drop towards our this areas, and then we will watch for long again. Our major view is still bullish, and we are expecting market to create a change of character above 4735. And highest possibility we will see our FVG test and this trend line test, then again pump. So wait for it. Once we get confirmation, we will be watching for long. Okay, so I will stop recording.